What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset a WordPress user's email address using phpMyAdmin in cPanel. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, sometimes you might lose access to your WordPress account if the email address on file is no longer valid. Other times, maybe you're helping out a client who's been locked out because the recovery emails are going to an old inbox they can't access anymore. In those situations, you won't be able to request a password reset link the usual way. That's when phpMyAdmin becomes really handy. You can update the email address directly in the database and take back control of the account. And this is one of the biggest benefits of hosting with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. With phpMyAdmin already included, you always have full access to your site's database, giving you a reliable way to troubleshoot issues like this. If you're not already hosting with us, I recommend checking out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing your website secure, simple, and reliable. Before we dive into the steps, let me also mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to reset your WordPress password and how to disable plugins using phpMyAdmin. This tutorial ties in perfectly with those because it's another method you can use whenever you're locked out of your dashboard. So if you haven't seen those yet, I definitely recommend checking them out after this video. All right, let's move right into the steps. First, log into your cPanel account. Once inside, scroll down to the database section and click on phpMyAdmin. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of databases. Select the one that belongs to your WordPress site. If you're not sure which one this is, you can open the wp-config.php file in File Manager and check the database name for yourself. Next, once you've opened your WordPress database, look for the table called wp_users and click on it. Inside the wp_users table, you'll see a list of all the user accounts associated with your site. Locate the user account you want to update. This is often admin if you're working with the default setup, but it could be another username. Click edit next to that user. Now you'll find a field labeled user_email. Simply replace the existing email address in that field with the new one you want to use. Make sure it's an email address you have access to because this is where your password resets and important notifications will all be sent. Once you've entered the new email address, scroll down and click Go to save your changes. That's it, the user email address has now been updated directly in the database. And just like that, you successfully reset a WordPress user's email address from phpMyAdmin in cPanel. This method is especially useful for recovering access to your account when the original email is no longer available. It's another great example of the control you get with RackNerd's cPanel shared hosting. Because with phpMyAdmin at your fingertips, you never are locked out of your site for long. So if you're still looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, be sure to check out RackNerd.com. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.